Hi, it's Mayor Shelley Brindle in Westfield. I wanted to share some information with you today that will help you save money on your energy bills. PSE&G is offering incentives for homeowners to upgrade and improve the efficiencies in their home, including $25,000 on-bill repayments, as well as $6,000 in cash back. I've taken advantage of it in my home, and I wanted to share with you some of the details about it today. So I have to admit, I was a reluctant participant, not because I didn't see the opportunity and was very tired of sitting in drafty old rooms in my house, but it just felt like it was going to be a lot of inconvenience. But we made the decision to do it at a time when we needed to paint the exterior of our house and thought, well, we might as well do it all at once. And I have to tell you, the process was much less painful than I actually anticipated. And I will have to say it wasn't painful at all. The energy audit was very, very extensive. And it really probably didn't tell me anything that I didn't know, but it did show the extent of really how energy inefficient our home was. And after you do the energy audit and they show you where the opportunity is, you can decide how much you want to invest in the extent of the upgrade. Some actually are more impactful than others. And we decided to do, I think, almost all of it, quite frankly, because there's very little in our house that didn't need upgrading. So from the day that we called Ciel, they really just took it out of our hands and dealt with all the contractors that had to come over, whether it be for insulation, we needed a new hot water heater, and many other things. They were quick, they were efficient, they were responsive, and I can't say enough about the process and would urge you all to consider at least getting the audit to see what, where the opportunity is. And then on the financial side, they took care of all that too. Essentially, once they demonstrated the improvement that was going to happen after the upgrades were made, they billed us for the portion that we owed, and then they immediately applied for the credits and took care of that right away. So there was no really out-of-pocket cost for us to cover those, not worrying about any type of reimbursement. And the same thing holds true then on the PSE&G side. Once you actually get the bill, I'm not paying for it out of pocket. That gets sent to PSE&G, and it shows up as an additional expense, a monthly expense at 0% interest on your bill. And because of the efficiencies in the home, your electric bills come down, so the actual net cost isn't as much as actually what the bill would be. And why we're actually sharing this information now is because these tax credits, which were very meaningful to my family and I'm sure to many others, are supposed to go through 2032, but in light of what is happening in our nation's economy with the budget, it's not certain how much longer those tax credits are going to last. So I would encourage you, if it's something you've considered, take advantage of it now while you can, because there's no certainty that they might be there for you in the future. For PSE&G customers, the program is available through June 30th, 2027. There's no income requirement. Everybody is eligible. It's all about trying to create a more efficient and environmentally friendly and sustainable universe. And all you have to do, if you're interested in signing up, is go to cielpower.com/Westfield, and all the information will be there about how to sign up. As I said, they're incredibly responsive, and I can guarantee you'll get a response in a matter of days, and you can go from there.